Everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you remove Zoom profile picture. In order to remove the Zoom profile picture, you first need to open up your browser, go to web.zoom.com and log in. After logged in, click on the initials from the top right corner of your screen. So then from the list, go ahead and click on your username right on this field. So when you go to username, then click on the initials right over here. You have the section as change profile picture, right? So click on change. Then you could go ahead and browse it from the folder. So I'm just gonna go with this for now. Once this is uploaded, click on save. You could adjust the ratio and all that. So this is how it's gonna look. So that's the way you could change your profile picture on Zoom. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.